To access the electrical components of the lawnmower, we will have to remove the top cover. To do this, using the Allen key supplied by the manufacturer, we remove the 4 bolts that hold it in place. Next, we remove the trunk. Inside, we can observe the following components: left track motor, right track motor, cooling fan, control receiver. The receiver antenna is located on the outside. Right motor power control. Left motor power control. The following components are located on the left side. Charging socket, where we connect the charger to recharge the batteries. When the unit is working, it has a dynamo to charge the batteries. Battery charge indicator display that shows the battery charge level. Power switch, which activates all electrical components. The 2 batteries are located at the bottom of the motors.